I'm Fuilse, and today, I'm going to get fireworks from the store. Hey Mom and Dad,
What is it, Fuilse?
can I go to the store to get some fireworks?
Sure, but be careful. These fireworks are very dangerous. We need them of the 4th of July.
But if you light the fireworks at other places, you will be grounded. Got it?
Yes.
But you may go now.
Hi Alex, do you want to go to the fireworks store to get fireworks? Because the 4th of July is coming.
Sure.
When they got to the fireworks store,
Here is a TNT fireworks store. This is the store that we haven't been to before.
I know. Right, this store is awesome. Let's go in.
Hello. Welcome to TNT Fireworks Store. How can I help you?
We would like some fireworks, please.
Okay. Here we go. Have a nice day.
Thanks.
Well, Fuilse, I have to go take these fireworks to my parents at my house.
No problem. I will see you. Uh-oh.
What is the problem, Fuilse?
I'm have a really bad stomachache over those spicy foods that I ate last night. Oh no. I think I'm going to. Uh-oh. The fireworks are setting on fire. The whole store is going to explode. We better get out quick.
Right.
Oh no. The TNT Fireworks Store is going to blow any second. What do we do?
Everyone. With me. Now. I'm sending in a protection shield now.
meanwhile, in the destroyed fireworks store,
Phew. Is everyone all right?
yes. Yes.
Yes.
Yes.
Hey guys. What just happened in this store? And why did you all survive the explosion?
I uses my strong protection shield to save them from the explosion of the fireworks.
So, Fuilse and Alex, explain how this place got exploded.
I ate spicy foods too much and my fire breath lights up the fireworks.
Guys, it was just a big mistake.
Do you think it's just a big mistake? You guys spicing things up too much. And thanks to both of you, we now have to get the TNT Fireworks Store rebuilt in 6 months. And because of what you did, we're calling your parents.
Whatever.
At Alex's house. Alex, aren't you out of your mind? You're supposed to bring fireworks to us. But, no. You have destroyed the TNT fireworks store with Fuilse.
I guess this means I'm grounded, right?
That's right. You're grounded for 3088W 9339 years.
This means you will not see any fireworks with your friends on the 4th of July. Now go upstairs to your room and go to sleeping.
Well, this sucks.
At Fuilse's house.
Fuilse, why did you destroy the TNT fireworks store?
Because I ate too much spicy foods last night. So I tried to get the fireworks for you, but I've accidentally breathed fire on the fireworks and destroyed the entire TNT store. It was just a big mistake.
Well, you should learn better not to light fireworks at many places. You're grounded for 1,300 years.
This means you will not see any fireworks with your friends on the 4th of July. Now go upstairs to your room and sleep.
Oh, come on.
in.